One of the places we've never been to.
Yes, which is
Liberty Tree Tavern.
Which is really weird because we come here all the time.
I know. We always wanted to, but we always didn't want to like take the leap, I think.
Yeah, so it's still all you can eat buffet, but instead of you going to the food comes to you.
Right.
So you can always ask for more, just like Garden Grill.
Yeah, so we're going to try it out for you guys, and hopefully we like it.
It's a little expensive. It's about 40 bucks per adult.
Yeah.
That's 13 and over, I believe.
Yes. Yeah.
But we'll see what it is.
Yeah.
We're excited.
We are. Alright, so we just got to our table, and they do have beers, hard cider, and cocktails.
The wines are in the almost the same thing, huh?
And then they also have a wine list. And then if you want to look at the day's dining selections, use your QR code and you should be good. They also have it in different languages. They have it in Spanish, French, and Portuguese. And then here it is. So you get a decoration salad, Patriots platter, and then a toffee cake. And it has everything else as well. Pretty exciting. $39 per person, and then $21 per child. Alright, so you get a salad with the vinaigrette sauce. And then you get bread and butter. So we just got our food, and you got mac and cheese, you got pork loin, pot roast, turkey, and stuffing. You have gravy over there, green beans, and mashed potatoes. That's kind of like the Garden Grill, but this looks more of a Thanksgiving meal. Excited.
Alright guys, we're working on it and we're getting there, but we're also getting pretty full. How's the food, Brian? It's pretty good.
So before we officially tap out, they gave us this ooey gooey dessert. It's coffee cake with icing, chocolate ganache, caramel, and it looks like chopped up Snickers. It looks delicious. Guys, you don't understand. We're about to tap out. We are so full. Guys, we had to have a talk. We walked around the park for a while, and I think the food's kind of finally settled.
Yes.
Liberty Tree Tavern, better, I think, than Garden Grill.
But you get to meet characters at Garden Grill.
Yes.
So there's pros and cons,
yeah,
but it's definitely worth it. You do get an annual pass discount as well as a cast member discount if you are a cast member.
You do. But the food was great. Where we sat, the AC was blowing on it, so it kind of dried it out a little bit
quicker. We were in the Betsy Ross room. Yeah. Like right under the AC. It's great having that AC because it felt great.
Yes.
But the food came out really hot and like really good.
It's very hearty, very hearty, very heavy.
Yes.
So.
And then you get 3-course meals. You get your salad and bread, your main course, and then you get your desserts.
Yes. Everything was good. I don't eat salad, so I can't really speak for the salad.
The salad was really good. The vinaigrette was really light, light tasting. A little bit too much pepper, but it made it really good.
Yeah, everything else was good. I mean, that was amazing. Green
beans were amazing. It had like a garlicky flavor to it. Mashed potatoes were good. The mac and cheese, soft and velvety. Hint, hint.
Oh, yeah. I think the best meat, the pot roast.
I like the pot roast better than the turkey.
I'm the other way.
Really?
Yeah. I like the turkey better than I did the pot roast. The tenderloin was alright. We didn't care for the mushroom taste.
Yeah, it had a mushroom sauce on it. So if you like mushrooms, definitely get it. Or eat a lot of it or ask for more because it comes with it.
But honestly, guys, I highly recommend. It is $39.99 per person and then $21.99 for kids.
Yeah, before discount.
Before a discount. But the food was great. The environment was cool. Makes you all patriotically. Yeah, that's a word.
That might be a word.
But guys, definitely heads up. You know, go there, set up the reservations and all that fun stuff.
Yes.
But yeah.